that intro was so loud. I bet you didn't expect this to be so loud. At least I didn't. But I also bet that you did not expect any of the new KorGE features I'm about to present you in the second video digest. We have a new supported file format called K-tree. You get it, K-tree, from KorGE or Kotlin, although the naming might change in the future. K-trees are XML files containing information about visible objects on the screen. We have improved the visual editor to handle these K-tree files, and now it's basically a scene editor where you can place objects on the screen and then edit the different properties. All objects and their values are stored in the K-tree XML file, and you can add all known view objects to the K-tree like shapes, bitmaps, sprites, animations, tilemaps, particle emitters, or even other K-trees to keep your views nicely organized. To help you all with debugging your code, we added a visual debugger. It displays local and global bounding boxes, and as shown earlier, you can edit the properties in the debugger/editor, which not only accepts scalar values, but also expressions. But you might ask, hey KorGE guy, wouldn't it be nice to have the debug information present during runtime of the project? Yes, it would. And so we created a separate debug panel which offers the debug information right next to your running game. These features will come with KorGE 2.0, but if you want to test them today for yourself, just clone the KorGE Next Alpha repository and run the Run IDE task. If you want to know how our coders implement these features, we offer the recordings of the coding sessions for our Patreon sponsors. We already uploaded almost 2 days, that's 48 hours of material, so you can spend a whole weekend watching it. Or if you're a speedy guy and want to watch it in 2 times, you can finish it in 1 day. Unless we add more stuff, what we will. Then it will take, of course, more than 1 day and you have to speed it up even more.